Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Austin and I'm the mathematics teacher for the 7th grade Freedom Fighters team. I have been teaching math at Lionville Middle School for the past 19 years. I received my teaching certificate from Millersville University and my doctorate from Immaculata. Besides teaching math, I am also the 8th grade baseball coach at the school. The purpose of this video is for you to get to know me since we will be spending a lot of time together over the next year. I want to start off by showing you what's most important to me. This is a picture of my family. There in the middle, that's my wife, Elizabeth, and she is holding my two beautiful daughters, Addison, who is 20 months old today, and Avery, who is 7 months old. Here is a picture of us, a little bit more recent, in a more formal setting. So about my wife. My beautiful wife and I have been married for the past 3 years. We love to travel. This is a picture of us in California along the Pacific Ocean. Here's a picture of us riding the carousel at Bethany Beach, a place we like to go often. Here's a picture of us trying out for The Price is Right. We didn't get picked, but we had a lot of fun. And if you ever watched our episode, you would see us very prominently in the audience. 2 years ago, we went to Toronto, Canada to the Hockey Hall of Fame. We're big hockey fans, and we got to see the Stanley Cup. Here's my girls. I'm a very proud girl dad. This is a picture on the day that Avery was born, and her big sister Addison meeting her for the first time. Here's a more recent photo of my world. Avery's on the left and Addison is on the right. Again, I'm a girl dad, so both of my dogs are girls. The dog on the left, her name is Claudia Drew, named after Claude Giroux for the Flyers. She is 3 years old. And the dog on the right is Daisy Jane. Daisy is 11 years old and will be 12 years old in December. We are avid sports fans in this house, and the first team that I follow very religiously is the Chicago Bears. Here's a picture of me in the Bears locker room with Addison. Hockey, I love the Flyers. Here's Avery rocking the Flyers sweater. And for baseball, I'm a Red Sox fan. Here's Addison donning her fine Red Sox jersey. One interesting fact about my wife and I is that we like to travel the country to go to different baseball stadiums. At this point, we've been to 24 out of the 30 possible baseball stadiums. Although we can't get to any stadiums this year, hopefully we can next year. As I mentioned, my wife and I like to travel. You may notice the pictures behind me, and you'll notice them as this is where I'll be doing most of my teaching. These pictures are some of the places that we have been. Why don't you pause the video and see if you can figure out some of the places that we've been based off of the pictures. Good luck. If you want to later, you can ask me and I can tell you if you're right. I hope this helps you get to know me a little bit better as I try to get to know you over the next couple of weeks. My hope for us is that we have a successful year, and no matter what you feel about math or how you've done in math in the past, I think together we can make this a very successful year.